Hi friends, get ready for some colorful fun today as we learn the names of different colors together. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Red, R-E-D, red. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. Gray, G-R-A-Y, gray. Maroon, M-A-R-O-O-N, maroon. Magenta, M-A-G-E-N-T-A, magenta. Lavender, L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R, lavender. Olive, O-L-I-V-E, olive. Teal, T-E-A-L, teal. Violet, V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Tan, T-A-N, tan. Cyan, C-Y-A-N, cyan. Silver, S-I-L-V-E-R, silver. Lime, L-I-M-E, lime. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Light blue, L-I-G-H-T-B-L-U-E, light blue. Gold, G-O-L-D, gold. Fuchsia, F-U-C-H-S-I-A, fuchsia. Khaki, K-H-A-K-I, khaki. Navy, N-A-V-Y, navy. Crimson, C-R-I-M-S-O-N, crimson. Coral, C-O-R-A-L, coral. Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Azure, A-Z-U-R-E, azure. Dark green, D-A-R-K-G-R-E-E-N, dark green. Cadet blue, C-A-D-E-T-B-L-U-E, cadet blue. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.